Hey guys, this is Marv De Leon of Freelance Blend TV and Freelance Blend Podcast. In this episode of the podcast, I would like to talk about an experience that I had when I was still in the corporate world. This experience, actually, hindi sa akin. It's from a former office mate who, when we were talking, gave me this line that I never forgot. So, ang premise, yung background niyan is that maraming nangyayari sa office at that time. Like many other companies, now, I think, na nag-offer ng early retirement. So, parang nagkaroon ng ganyan sa aming company at that time. And a lot of my office mates were actually a bit worried about their jobs, of course. Ako naman, at that time, I was already in the process of resigning and focusing on Freelance Blend full-time. This office mate of mine, yon parang natatakot na siya and wala siyang other options. And yun sinabi niya sa akin na, paano na ako, wala akong plan B, anong mangyayari sa akin? And yun nga, yung line na yon has stayed with me through the years. And now that I'm a freelancer and I have this freelance blend, a lot of people are messaging me or emailing me, asking me, how do I become a freelancer? I created this training to answer that question and to answer, to give an answer to that office mate of mine kung nasan ka man ngayon. I know you're still okay ka naman ngayon. So hindi lang naman yung friend ko na yun. I have other friends who are still in the corporate world who, when I meet with them, they ask me, ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Paano ba to? This free web training that I'm conducting is again my answer to that, and I hope that you will join this special training. I've never done this training before. So the title of the free web training is the 3 biggest secrets to getting your first freelance side gig. So I will reveal yung 3 secrets na yon na I've never revealed before. And yun nga, this is my answer to those questions. So I summarized it into 3 secrets. So what you learn if you join the training, if you join the webinar, the 10-minute test to check if there's a market for your skills in the gig economy. So this is a simple step that you will do so that you know if yung ginagawa mo ngayon sa corporate world is pwede bang ma-translate yon sa into a freelancing gig. So I'll show you how to test the market. Number 2, I'll also talk about the under the radar but high paying freelance side gig that you can start right now. You may not even realize that you're doing it. So of course I won't reveal it now. I'll reveal that high paying side gig that baka hindi nyo realize that you can actually do it after the training. So I'll discuss that in detail during the training. Next is the simple 10-3-1 formula to get freelance side gigs from scratch even if you have no time. So ito yung madalas na kuha ko na paano ba yan, I am so busy at work, I don't have time to do this. Pag uwi ko, late na, I have to feed my kids, I have to tutor my kids. So, paano yan kung wala akong time? So, this is the answer to that. It's so easy na, yun nga, you can easily apply for side gigs using this formula. And also, I will share the book that changed my life. So, ang daming books na nag-change ng life ko, but this is the book that I recently discovered that turned things around. It's if you buy it, it's $15. You might say it's expensive, but this book earned me because of this book, I earned six-figure contracts because of this. So, ang layo, di ba? 2 digits to 6 digits. So, I will talk about this ebook. And ayun na, apart from that, we'll be giving away a gift. So, hint na yon, yung book na yon, I might give it away. But of course, bibigay ko lang yon sa mga mag-attend ng webinar. Although the replay might be available also, but you can only get the the free gifts during the webinar. So I highly encourage you to please join that webinar. And also, I'll talk about a special offer for you guys. So I hope na you stick around for the full hour or hour and a half, depende rin sa questions nyo, because we'll have a Q&A session with me towards the end of the webinar. So thereabouts, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes ang length ng webinar, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot. Again, this is free. If you're not doing anything, please mag-sign up na kayo. If you have something planned, forgo yung plan na yon, and please attend na lang my webinar, because this is actually for you. So to join, just go to freelanceblend.com/free webinar. Again, that's freelanceblend.com/free webinar. Okay? Thanks again for watching and listening, and peace to everyone. Bye.